Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence ADJ037BR. This is an 037 series wall mount glass clamp in an adjustable style in a BR finish, which that is solid brass and a polished brass finish. This is available in lots of different finishes. In fact, I just had it pulled up here, and let's take a look at those finishes. I'm looking at them on a monitor. Other finishes: ORB for oil rub bronze, ABR for antique brass, BN for brushed nickel, BR for polished brass, this one, BSC brushed satin chrome, CH, I lost track, CH for polished chrome, GP for gold plated, PN for polished nickel, SC for satin chrome. Okay, those are the different finishes. Pretty much any finish that you can do a hinge on, or other hardware, they'll have an adjustable wall mount glass clamp for if you're doing something in the glass shower enclosure situation. So there is a link below this video to a document called Product Information that's going to show you how these clamps are used in general. It's going to show you how they're used as a single piece and then as a pair of them on either side. It's designed for use when you're fastening a fixed panel of glass that runs into a wall at an oblique angle, an angle other than 90 degrees. It is important to note that the clamp can be mounted to the wall on either the long side or the short side, either below 90 or above 90, on angles up to 25 degrees from 90, not lower, therefore, from 65 degrees or over 125 degrees. And the example there points that out. For angles more than 25 degrees from 90, the wall-mounted portion must be fastened on the side of the glass that has the short point of the miter, and as seen in example 2, it'll be on the smaller angle. The rest of that document goes on to talk about how to calculate that and the positioning of all of that, so I won't beleaguer all of that information here. It does tell you about the hole drilling information. The table to the right addresses the dimension required from the long point of the miter to the center line of the 7/8 hole required in the glass. No U-notches are required for this. You're going to drill a hole. And all dimensions already allow for the 1/16 of an inch margin from the edge of the glass to the wall. Important, because that hole is going to go through there. And that's what it looks like. Very attractive piece of hardware. Being C.R. Lawrence, and being a piece of glass hardware, it's pretty much generally going to be solid brass. That architectural metal is going to afford an incredibly high quality finish, regardless of the actual finish that's being done on it. Okay. The wall plate is not finished on the back, but that's just what mill or raw brass looks like. They will get you started with a single screw for that one area that will be exposed, most likely. You'll be able to see that screw from where your position will be. Okay. Below this video as well is an image showing some dimensional properties. Let's touch on that now. You're going to have 1 15/16 overall length on the back. On the clamp portion, I'm coming up with basically 2 inch. Then you're going to have 2 inch from the back of the hinge to the outside of the wall leaf. That's coming up about 2 1/8. And a height is 1 3/4. Okay. That machine screw will come out. These two plates will separate. You've got a couple of nylon plastic washers, I should say, that are in there. And then that through bolt that's going to go there. And you certainly... a through bolt's going to be required for installations like this because the glass can't move after it's installed, meaning you don't want your clamp to let go because the gasketing in there can fatigue with time, and that hole through the glass will absolutely mechanically capture the position of the glass within the clamp. For 5/16 to 1/2 inch glass range, solid brass clamps are adjustable for non-standard angles. You can do glass to wall, like this, the 037, or glass to glass, and again, polished brass finish. More details down below that we've basically covered: glass thickness, size of the hole required in the panel, etc., what's included. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. And when it comes to glass hardware, hinges, push and pull bars, clamps, obviously, this is not going to be used in a shower enclosure. This is going to be used in an architectural application, maybe a restaurant, where you've got some glass that's happening over something somewhere, and you're doing it at these certain angles. But that link to the manufacturer's page will allow you to get access to all of the subsection catalogs of what C.R. Lawrence offers. And if all that was printed into one volume, it would be several phone books thick. So they were a tremendous asset when it comes to a lot of different pieces of hardware. In addition to that, our customer service rep there, and we've had more than one, but they replace one at least as good as the one that they're replacing. So my reps are always phenomenal there, and it's really appreciated because I don't know the entire line, and I need to talk to someone who is either an expert, or if they're not, they'll get me an expert, and that's what always happens. Any questions on the ADJ037BR wall to glass clamp or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.